very devoted into the community, and that's something that I share the same core values with myself. I'd help anybody that I could at any time I could, and TD's a lot like that. They're always involved with the community and trying to help out and lend a hand when they can. They do it inside the shop as well as outside the shop. So
we're here at Caring and Community Friends in Sapulpa. It's Sapulpa's and Creek County's food bank, and they also help with utilities and help with some medicines and stuff for their clients. And today we're building a community garden so that each client has the opportunity to come out and grow some fresh vegetables for themselves.
Last year, TD Williamson moved crepe myrtles across our property, so it extended our 1/4 acre, and we had the idea, what if we put in a community garden? It goes hand in hand with the food pantry and our vision of reducing the impact of poverty, and TD Williamson will do it. So this is a brand new program for our agency, and it will be for generations to come. So just a few of the things that TD Williamson has done, and we're so thankful.
TDW's allowed us to come out here and do multiple projects today. All across the city, we're doing 25 different projects, close to 145 volunteers today. It's pretty awesome to work for a company that allows us to be able to take the time to make the impact upon the community that we're allowed to do. So
I chopped down my first tree, which was a big deal, with an axe, but we've been really clearing out all the low-hanging branches to make it easier for them to mow this giant property. I think this is a great company, family-owned company. Seems like we're really involved with the community. I love seeing our logo on any good cause like this. Makes me proud to be part of TDW.